Welcome back to the $25 challenge.
And I can't believe it's finally snowing.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today is episode 8, and I am very, very grateful for green today. After yesterday's loss, not too happy with that one. Today came out green. The account is up 5%. I took 5 trades, 2 green, 3 break even, and I did not take any chances today. So without further ado, let's get right into these trades. Not going to waste any time. It's actually a blizzard outside, so I got to hurry and get my butt out of here so I can go pick up my kids before we get trapped. So if you're new here, please subscribe and please smash that like button. I greatly appreciate it. If you want to join the Discord, it's completely free. Link down below. I would love to have you there too. Great community. Everyone's so helpful. You guys are awesome. So shout out to everyone in Discord, and shout out to all the new subscribers. You know, it's a growing community, and it's really fun to watch. And I'm just extremely grateful for each and every one of you. Enough of that. Let's get into the trades. Looking at the 15-minute chart on SPY, and you can see yesterday was, started off a little bit different than today. Today was a bit of a gap. Now there's something around here we call gap fill Thursdays, and today was one of those. I think I put it up on the screen the other day, but here it is again, just for your guys' sake. Watch for those stats. Thursdays are the best day for the gaps to fill. And like clockwork, today was another one of those days. So we started off the day with a gap to the downside, and then it filled all pre-market. No surprise. So unfortunately, sometimes the gaps do get filled, outside of trading hours, but other times it sets up for a perfect opportunity during the trading open hours. So let's zoom on in here to the 1-minute chart, and you can see how the first couple trades went. Like I said, I took no chances today. Yesterday, after being more aggressive and just getting caught in the chop, I was just not about to go through that again. So today, I was much more conservative, and I don't think I let any trades go to red. If I remember correctly, I waited until basically the last minute, got into that trade, watched them go break even pretty fast on each of these trades. They all went break even probably within a minute or two. And as you can see, these first 2 trades here, trade number 1, I got in at 10:34. Out 5 minutes later, pretty quick 20% gain. I was looking for more, but did not quite.
Are open.
Futures markets are open, you guys. Time to check on that gold. And then trade number 2, similar thing. I got in at 10:40 and then out at 10:52. 12 minutes longer. So those are both a little bit longer than I would like, but they were break even, and I was just kind of waiting for the market to really try to rip. Did not happen. Now going back to this first trade, it was a little frustrating because as you can see, I sold and then got right back in. That's because it just ripped. As soon as I sold and took profit, I think the same contract went up another like 30%. So I was like, wow, that's awesome. So I waited for a slight pullback from that point and then got back in. And that all happened pretty quick. And then as you can see, just break even trades. Next one right here, another quick one, in and out in just 3 minutes. Looking for that opportunity. Now you'll notice on here it was a little bit of a mixture of same day and 1 day till expire, because I was trying to be more patient and didn't want to take as big of a risk. So pros and cons to trading a 1 day till expire. It's less risk, less reward. So you just kind of figure out what works best for you, what you're comfortable with. Me today, I was not comfortable being as risky given yesterday's losses. I wasn't willing to have 2 red days in a row. And so I pretty quickly, got in and out of those trades without taking a big chance. And then again, just kind of scrolling through here, you can see the next 2 trades, break even again, just barely, I got stopped out right before I went into profit. And then moving on here to the last trade, this one was really frustrating because I actually bought the wrong contract. I bought the 6:15 call 1 day till expire. I thought I was buying a 6:10 call 0 days till expire. They were both the same price at that time, and the 6:10 calls were also $4. Those things ran to $8 within a couple minutes, and I was trying to take profit after I thought it was at 6, and I was like, why isn't this selling? And I looked, double checked, and I was like, wow, I'm a freaking idiot. So it happens to everyone. I still make those little mistakes, just flipping around. Sometimes you just gotta cross your T's and dot your I's, and if you're going a little bit too quick and not paying enough attention, it's easy to buy the wrong contract. Let's go over to the account, wrap things up for the day, and there you have it. We have 8 trading days and 7 of them green, but unfortunately yesterday, much bigger than I would want. I did mention it yesterday, but I'm going to try to keep my losses down to around 10-15% max moving forward. Letting this go to 31% was definitely a big mistake. It's easier to recover, obviously, the smaller the losses are. So baby steps, base hits adding up. Hopefully this helps you guys. I am completely transparent on all the trades, good days, bad days. Yesterday was a bad day. Today, a little bit better. So hope you guys are staying happy and healthy, and happy Valentine's Day. So I'll see you tomorrow.